Hey, what's up everyone? Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install new AOD and lock screen clock after 1.8.5 update on your Galaxy device. So let's begin. Okay guys, first go to Play Store and download this app on your Galaxy device. This app direct Play Store link available on description. After download, simply tap and open. After open, simply tap and OK. Set notification access permission. Simply tap on grant. And look at these emoji and fonts available on this app. Simply tap on stylish and look at these many of beautiful stylish fonts. Simply select anyone like this. Now you also try font like this. Look at this. Or clock. Now after try, simply tap on download button, tap on done button and choose One UI 8. Guys, after One UI 8.5 update, you also choose One UI 8. Now, no any change on this setting, simply tap on create. Now tap on install package. Now tap on install Z file. Go to Play Store, download this Z file. After download, simply go back. Now simply go to tap on setting, allow Z file permission. Now look at this, simply tap on install. Guys, look at these font not installed on my Galaxy device because of auto blocker. Then simply tap on OK. Go back, go to setting, go to privacy and go to security and privacy. Now look at this auto blocker. Simply disable auto blocker. Now install again. Simply tap on install package. Now tap on more detail and tap on install without scanning. Look at this, done. Now new clock font install on your Galaxy device. Now let me show you how to apply. Simply tap on hold, edit lock screen. After edit lock screen, tap on clock. Now select font and color and go to more font and look at this. Simply select this new font and new clock enable on your Galaxy device. Look at this. And this clock also enable on your AOD. You also set vertical clock style like this. Now let me show you again one more clock. Again open this app. Now select any clock. Look at this Walt Disney. Now simply tap on download button, download, tap on One UI 8, tap on create, install package, tap on install package, tap on more detail and tap on install without scanning. Now this Walt Disney font install on my Galaxy device. simply apply. Look at this Walt Disney. And guys, if you want to delete these fonts, then simply go to setting, go to apps, search Z font, and look at this. Simply tap on font and simply uninstall this font. After uninstall, these fonts delete from your Galaxy device. So guys, you also install this new AOD and clocks after 1.8.5 update on your Galaxy device. I hope guys you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.